coming here today. Brought this stuff. What is it? Heat shield installation sound deadener. Well, I'm coming here today, putting this. Gonna be putting the headliner in this '64 Riviera. So I got in there, measured 26 by 21. Alright, so now I gotta come across 21. Hopefully I get 2 sheets out of this. So now this guy told me about the stuff, this same stuff. They might sell something like this at Menards. You know, so this stuff, I talked to a guy at a car show today doing a my pick with him. And he had this stuff in his, I think it was a 71 Electra. So I'm thinking this is the same stuff here, guys. So it's probably gonna be cheaper than this, but I will be comparing it with the other stuff here eventually, guys. So trust me, I will be comparing it. So I'm gonna cut these up, and then I'll come back. I'll show you how I'm gonna be installing this and then getting the headliner in the '64 Riviera. All right, so I got my trusty mask on here. I got all the carpet. The carpet is not in here, so scrape all of this stuff down. Alright, so we're going to come through. And we just want to spray this down. I must be out. I'm out. But we gotta spray all of this down here. And you want to spray both sides of your material. All right, let it sit for about 5 minutes, guys. Alright guys, so with both sides dry, I'm gonna just come and lay this right up in here. And I'll cut around here later. But that's just gonna lay right up in there like that, guys. Give me a putty knife and stick it in there. I mean, you can just shove it up in some of these areas, but in there it's going to be kind of close. But it'll work out just fine if you spray that down like that. Then, like I say, I cut around here with a razor blade. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I got that jeweled up in there. It's supposed to be heat resistant. The glue I use is a heat resistant glue. So that roof is in there now. I'm gonna come in and do this headliner. Hey guys, you know, like and share and like and subscribe to my channel if you like any of these videos, guys, and tell somebody else that might be interested in any of this, because it takes me time to film this stuff, edit it, and put it on for you guys. So, you know, at least do me the decent courtesy of subscribing to my channel. I surely would appreciate it, guys. But that's how you put that jeweled in there. So, all right, don't be sneaking in, trying to be quiet, boy. I still get you. That's my favorite son. You know you're my favorite son, right?
Your only son.
Oh, okay.
No, you got a grandson now, so I don't know.
Oh, you're my favorite son.